welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's 2026. Happy New Year. I'm really excited for this year. I have so many goals and things that I really want to do, so I really hope I can reach all of them. But anyways, I really want to start this year by cleaning this house because it's a mess. I still have all of my Christmas decoration up, so I really need to take that out and start cleaning to be able to decorate my house with very neutral colors, something a little bit more simple. I have my messy bun, I have a big t-shirt. I'm ready. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm already a mess. I'm sweating already because I'm doing laundry in so many stuff. I'm gonna try to do everything by areas, just to be organized. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all the Christmas stuff from every single area in my house. And what I like to do to keep them organized every single year is I have Ziploc bags, or I have like these Timo or Shein bags. I put every single branch in a different Ziploc bag. And I like to do that because I use these small parts to decorate my garlands and vases and things like that. I have one bag for all of the ribbon by color. I have this really big bag for all of the red berries that I have, and I have a lot, so this is gonna be super full at the end. I'm going to put everything on storage bins, but I have them downstairs and I don't want to bring them inside of the house. And I'm gonna try to put everything here and slowly taking all of the decoration downstairs to the storage bin. All of my books are very messy. They are not where they're supposed to go because I was trying to put them by colors and shapes and sizes and things like that to be able to decorate everything like this for Christmas. But now that Christmas is over, I have to take a minute and I have to organize all of this, like decorating this for like the rest of the year. Let me know if you will like a video of that too. Of the batteries from the twinkle lights. The small problem that I have now is that I have so many batteries that are already used. I think I'm going to label them, so whenever we need some batteries we can use these ones first because they still work but not fully. Crazy big bag where I always put my Christmas trees, like the really big one and all of the smaller ones like this one. I put all of them in just one bag. But I also have these Christmas trees that are flocked, and I have a few of them that I always separate from the like green ones because I don't want all of these like fake snow on them. So what I'm going to do this year is I'm going to put all of them in this really big bag that I have. I'm not sure it's gonna fit all of them, but I'm gonna try. Mantle, and I'm pretty sad because this is one of my favorite parts that I decorate this year. I love how it turns out. I love my living room, like this Ralph Lauren look. I really like it. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it next Christmas. Well, this year's Christmas. How crazy, right? But I'm really happy how it turns out for this year. The very small touch of like navy blue. I love it. I think I have like 3 garlands here. Oh my god. And I have no idea where each one starts and ends. So I don't know how to take this out. Oh my god, let me. This is pretty stuck on the mantle. Oh my god, wait. Okay, I got it. Yes. Now it's time for the Christmas tree, so let's take everything out, and I already have all my bags where I'm going to put every single piece where it's supposed to go. I'm so sad. I'm sad, but at the same time I'm so happy because I'm over Christmas right now. It's here in Puerto Rico we celebrate the longest Christmas. It's one of the longest Christmas. And it's already January, what, 10, 11, something like that. And I still have my Christmas tree, and I can still have it because we celebrate the Octavitas, which is like 8 days after Three Kings Day. So technically I can still have my Christmas tree up, but I'm done. So let's take everything out. All of the Christmas decoration, it's on the floor, and we are putting everything on bags to be able to put them downstairs. And all of these small Christmas trees, garlands, and these other Christmas tree, it's supposed to go on these bags. So let's try to do that, to put everything inside of there. Bad news, I had to take all of the curtains out because, oh my god, they're pretty dirty. And I don't want to do it, but I have to. So I'm doing laundry anyways today, so I think I'm going to take all of them out right now to be able to wash them. the curtains and I put them on. Now what I have to do is to put everything where it's supposed to go, but I think I'm going to change the layout just a little bit. I'm going to keep my olive tree there, but I think I'm going to just have that, my olive tree. So let's start doing that. Usually this olive tree is like all the way at the back of the wall, but now it's going to be like in the center, nothing else. I need a better vase. I don't like how it looks. It's old and it's not working anymore. So I think a DIY video is coming pretty soon, so stay tuned. For now, I'm going to leave this area just like this. I actually really like this layout, but it looks pretty empty because I have to decorate all of the mantle. I have to put some greenery. This is not going there. But anyways, I actually really like it. And I feel like it's more comfortable like this because, I don't know, for some reason, we use this chair a lot more here than when it used to be over there. For now, I think I'm going to leave my living room just like this. But we have a few things that we need to do. We have to decorate the mantle. We have to make a DIY base for this olive tree. I'm thinking maybe an art over here, like a really big piece of art. Something modern but neutral, but I don't know. Now that I have removed all of the Christmas decoration and I move a few things around, I have so many DIYs on mine that I really want to do, so many areas that I want to change, like move around, decorate, and I'm so excited. I have a white canvas in my house right now, so we can do a lot of stuff. So stay tuned because so many DIYs and videos are coming soon. I'm already planning all of them. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss anything, and yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.